Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn subject verb agreement. Already we learn about that subject, how to write the subject verb agreement in the last standard. But now we are going to revise this chapter. Okay. Now see, means when we speak or write, we must be sure that the subject and the verb in the sentence agree with each other in number and person. Means whatever the number or person of the subject, it should be agree with the verb. Okay. Means this term is grammar. Means this term of this grammar term is called subject verb agreement. Okay. Means verbs have two numbers, singular and plural. When the subject is in the it is singular, the verb also must be singular, and when the subject is plural, the verb also must be plural. Now see here in this table, we easily understand the means how it is agree. Means singular subject, see he. Okay, then singular verb is works. Means she or he works hard. Means if there is a third person singular, then we are writing yes or es form. That's why verbs form is works. Okay. Then next, Simi loves going to parties. Simi also third person, and that's why singular verb means Simi is third person singular, and that's why verb it is also singular, loves. Okay, means yes or es form, going to the party. Then next, the policeman is chasing the robber. The policeman, it is also third person singular, and that's why verb is. Okay, is chasing. Then third, next example see, a beggar does not live in a luxury. Beggar means that he. Okay, means it is a third person singular. And if there is third person singular, then yes or es form. Does form means does yes or es form doesn't. Okay, or does. We are not writing there don't or didn't because it is third person singular. Then next is swimming. It's a good form of exercise. Swimming means it is also third form of means third person singular, and that's why it takes the singular verb. Okay, Arun has gone for shopping. Arun, third person singular, and that's why it takes the singular verb has. Okay, like this way we are going to write the means if there is singular subject, it takes the singular verb, and if there is a plural subject, it takes the plural verb. Now see, they work hard. We and they, these are the plural subject. And plural verb is work. Here we are not writing yes or es form because only if there is a third person singular, that time only we are writing yes or es form of the verb which are singular. Then next, Simi and Sam love going to party. Simi and Sam means two subjects join with the and it also take the plural verb. Okay. And then like this way means here are given the plural subject. Okay, plural subject. Then you are going to write the plural verb. Now some rules are there, that rules we are going to study. Rule number 1, subject joined by and take a plural verb. Means if here only we see that in this table if there are two subjects joined by and, that time it take a plural verb. Means see example, his uncle and aunt are dead. Means uncle and aunt, these two subjects join with and that's why their subject verb is plural. Then rule number 2, if the two nouns join together by and refer the same person, the verb remains singular. Means if two nouns are there which join together by and, okay, it refers the same person. Means that two nouns refer the same person. that time it take the singular verb. Now see example. My guide and counselor is no more. Means counselor and guide means they are the same person. They are the means he is the same person, guide and counselor. Okay, that's why here is the singular verb. Okay, when two nouns form refer the same person, the article the and a is used. The and a used once. Means see, the secretary and the teacher plans to resign. Means secretary means teacher. Means here means we see that means they may be different person, but it is only single person. Okay, and that's why I take the singular verb only. Means plans. Okay, secretary and teacher, they are the one only person. If two different persons are referred to, the article is repeated and verb is in the plural. Means if there is a two persons, means and it take the article is repeated there, the, okay, or a, that time it takes a plural verb. Means the secretary and the teacher. The secretary and the teacher. Means here in the first sentence there is only written the secretary and teacher, and in this sentence the secretary and the teacher means that refer two different persons, and that's why it take a plural verb. Okay, means here are given many example. You have textbook, you will study of this example. Then rule number 3, if the two nouns join by and express one idea, the verb is in the singular. Means if the two nouns are joined by and express only one idea, the verb is in the singular. Okay, see, bread and butter means these are the two nouns, but that express the one idea only. Means these are from same group, and that's why there is only one idea. Was the main dot, and was is the singular verb. Here not written where. Was is the singular verb. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady means these are from same group. Words are from same group. Means these two nouns, separate two nouns are there, but that two nouns express the one idea. Okay, and that's why wins, which is the singular verb. Next see, time and tide wait for no man. Means here two elements are there, two different elements. Okay, and that's why I take the plural verb. Okay. Then even when a singular subject is separated from its verb by a plural noun, the verb must be in the singular. Even when a singular subject is separated from its verb, okay, by a plural noun. Now see, a blend of colors means a blend, it is a singular, and color shows the plural, but then also it takes the singular verb because first noun is singular. You have to keep in mind, means such a sentence you have to use only singular verb. Verb agrees with the subject, noun or pronoun, and not with any attribute qualified word. Now see, the style of his essays means the style, which is the subject noun, and his essays, which tells us about the plural. But we have to consider first noun, and that's why I take the singular verb. Each of these boys has done his best. Each of these boys, which tells us about the plural, but each, that word tells us about the singular, and that's why first noun is singular, then verb also singular. Okay, don't consider essays, boys or colors there. If the two nouns are forming the subject are singular and joined by or, nor, or either or, neither nor, the verb must be in the singular. Means if two subjects join with the either or, neither nor, or nor, that time verb must be in the singular. See. And if the two nouns are plural, the verb must be also plural. Okay, means two subjects join which are singular but join with either or, neither nor. Okay, that time singular. If two nouns or two subjects join with which are plural and join with either or, neither nor, that time verb also plural. Now see here. Any boy or girl finds the scheme attractive. Means any boy and girl which are the singular subject, and that's why it take the singular verb. Okay. For next example, either Sohan or Sohail is the wrong. Means either or, with the help of either or they join the two subjects, Sohail and Sohan and Sohail. But these are the singular subject, and that's why it take the singular verb. Now see next example. Neither the girls nor their mothers play the piano. Means girls and their mothers, which are the plural. Which are the plural nouns. And that's why verb also plural. Play is plural verb. Okay. Like this way, these are the plural. Then next rule we will learn tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.